Welcome to Dorman Products steering shaft installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered difficult by our technicians. It is recommended that a seasoned expert perform this repair. This installation will take approximately 1 to 2 hours to complete. Begin by raising vehicle to access the lower section of the steering shaft. Then, remove the bolt between lower portion of the steering shaft and steering rack box. Lower the vehicle. Access the steering shaft by removing clips from the flap next to the driver's side front tire. Then remove the 2 remaining bolts to free the steering shaft from the bracket. The top section of the steering shaft can now be lightly tapped out of place with a hammer. Raise the vehicle once more. Gently pry the lower section out of place and fully remove the steering shaft from the vehicle. Finally, reinstall the new steering shaft by following these steps in reverse order.